Where's that air horn?
Where's the keel haul song?
You need keel haul and the air horn.
Liz, you want to grab the air horn?
That bastard walked the plank with a bottle of rum and a yo-ho-ho.
Keel haul that filthy lad, I'ma send him down to the depth below.
Make that bastard walk the plank
with a bottle of rum and a yo-ho-ho.
Small.
We got 3 stowaways for us pulling away from the dock, and we're missing 4. Woo!
Hey, that's loud for its size.
Woo!
Hey, look, it's a cargo barge. Kinda looks that way, doesn't it?
This is the Sweet Dreams leaving the marina for the last time. Any last words?
Bye Mariners Bay, goodbye LA.
Not quite goodbyes yet.
F you, I'm never coming back, LA. The real truth comes out.
As we pull away.
All right, Liz, you want to take the helm?
No.
Thanks, babe.
Thanks,
Not
babe.
cold enough.
Thanks, babe.
This way?
Yeah.
So great to see you again.
Good to see you too.
I'ma send him down to the depth below. Make that bastard walk the plank with a bottle of rum and a yo-ho-ho.
It was big. Yeah, good one. Chocolate chip bagel, toasted with pumpkin schmear. It's really good. It was like a pumpkin pie, but with chocolate and on a bagel.
Oh, Liz, you gotta try this paddleboard today.
Yes, I do.
Paddleboard.